Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about unknown versus any. So today we'll be discussing about the never type. So the never type represents values that never occur, like function that throws errors or the infinite loops, right? It is often used in exhaustive type checks. So let's see the same thing with a very simple example, right? So let's go with the example function that always throws. So here never in a function that throws. Let's go with the never in a function that throws basically. So I'll just give here function. Let me make use of the throw. So I'll just give here error. Let's pass the parameter message here, which is of the type string, and let's make use of the never here. So let's make use of the throw new error. Let's pass the parameter message here, right? So this is fine. Let's come out of the function. I'll just make use of the try and catch here very quickly. So let me give you a try. Let me give here, let me make use of the throw error. So let me give something within the strings. I'll just give here something went wrong. This is fine. So finally, I'll just come here. Let me make use of the catch here. So within the catch, what I'll do, I'll just pass the parameter e here. So let me quickly log here if something goes wrong. So I'll just give here e dot message. So I hope this is clear. Nothing but while we run the code, we have to get the output something went wrong right here. So let's see. Let me format the document once. So I'll quickly explain what I've done here. The throw error, whatever I have considered here, this one, throw error. So the throw error function, the throw error function here, this one, whatever I have used here, this one, it never completes normally. Again, I'm telling the function throw error. So this never completes normally. It always throws an error. Again, I'm telling this one. This is very important, right? So the throw error function never completes normally. It always throws an error. Its return type is never. We know that its return type is never, right? And as it does not produce any value, so its return type is never, as it does not produce any value, right? So let's try to run the code here. So here you can clearly see, as I have said, we are getting the output something went wrong. It is absolutely correct, right? So I hope the concept of never type is completely clear. So next next we'll be discussing about the void versus undefined, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.